How to create a realistic red lipstick. Stop doing this. Instead, try this. Using the pen tool to select the lips. Create a solid color adjustment layer. Select the shade you desire. Navigate to the filter menu, then select Blur, followed by Gaussian Blur, and set a radius of 5 pixels. Duplicate the layer. Change the blend mode of the background layer to multiply. Change the blend mode of the top layer to screen. Go to Blending Options. Remove the highlights by holding down the Alt key or Option key on Mac and clicking on the slider to separate it, creating a smoother transition. Click OK to confirm the changes.